How are we gonna start this?
Yo. No.
Okay, I'm Sean. That's Jill. This is 151 Garage. So first off, we actually have my black diamond out in the sun with the top down. It's been a while. It's been a very long while. So one of the things that took forever was getting the body kit installed and painted and put back on. We've been doing that. We've been waiting to finish up the body work, body kit install, because we had taillights we wanted to go through and install and tint, as you saw the last video. If you haven't seen it, it'll be linked down below. But some of the things we went through with this, it was difficult, but it would have been easier just giving it to somebody else to do, but we don't like doing that. Like, we like to learn and see what we can do, see how we can fix it, and come up with solutions to be able to do that. Now, I will go through the process, or not the process, I will go through the items which we've done, which is including the kit from Advanced Fiberglass Concepts, the hood, the fenders, 5-inch wide fenders, no less. So it's a great addition, as well as the inner liners. We did put lights in the inner liners, and we'll show those to you in just a second. So if Joe wants to jump inside, put it in an auxiliary, and show the front. So first and foremost, we did the lights right here. Go ahead and turn the lights on. All the way. So you can see we got the AlphaRex headlights. They'll turn orange, as well as put the lights right here across it. Now go ahead and hit number 1 on the auxiliary switch. Oh God, sorry. So that's the white. Hit it off. Hit number 2. There's the amber. So that is the dual light system from Novsite. We absolutely love it. I cannot wait to use it in the foggy mornings. Okay, go ahead and turn it off before I go blind. Number 3, I believe, are those. Yeah, so we have those. Go ahead and leave those on. Put number 4 on. They're the ones down here. So those are spotlight, which are the ditch lights, and those right there, which we installed in the bumpers. Those are 4.5-inch, and they are custom made brackets that I will show you in just a second. Go ahead and turn them both off. So these are the custom brackets we made for them, so that way they fit right in the opening to where I need. Now go ahead and hit number 6. So it's not real bright out, or it's not real dark out, but these are the halo lights, which right there, as well as the ones up here. So those are halo up here, those are halo down there. Go ahead and switch it off. And switch number 5. So as you can see, I do have rock lights. These are from KC Lights. I have them on all 4 corners, and I ran everything to this side and then to the number 6 aux switch, or sorry, number 5 aux switch. Now going from the back, I actually cut open this bundle all the way down and ran those wires inside that bundle. That's the way it's nice and clean, it's protected, and it's in this stock wiring bundle, which is a total pain in the butt because I have to rewrap it all the way down with electrical tape, the same as stock. So that was interesting. Now, as you can tell, we have the fender liners in. They are painted a satin black, the gloss black outside, and then our Apocalypse badges. That's because this was stuck in the, what they called
Ice Mountain?
Ice Mountain.
Because of a chip.
Yeah, because of a chip. So it was stuck for a very long time. I don't think I got this until May 2022.
It was a while.
So it was probably 3 months after hers, maybe 4 months. So this is all done. Now, one of the things I have to say, the reason I don't have a suspension in this is because if I put the suspension in and bigger tires, it will not fit in there. We do have a lot of other mods we want to do to this before we do that, which includes the interior. We want to redo the interior for this, as well as the speakers. As you can tell, I took the speakers out and I made a couple brackets right here, and I'm going to put a bar right here with a mount in the center for a camera or lighting, and then the speaker pods on either side. They are 8-inch speaker pods. We will do a video on that shortly. Now, our tail lights, which are great. Look at that. Now, these are, go ahead and turn all the lights off.
Off or on?
Off.
They're off?
Okay, they're off. Now, what I did with these is these are Oracle taillights, the flush mount, and I actually tinted everything so they really blend in with the regular bodywork. I mean, really blend in. Now, step on the brake real quick, but they light up just fine. So there's no issues with them. I do have the tire carrier off because my garage is kind of short, but I didn't want to have to worry about that.
And you have a wireless charger.
We do have a wireless charger that we installed from Boost Auto, as well as this right here is the light bar from Motley Industries. So we do have a light bar for the front, which we're gonna put right here. It is in the garage. As soon as we get that on, we do, or will be getting some lights for the front from Offsite, same halo lights that we're gonna fill that bar with. So it'll be pretty nice. And like I said, it does have, I miss leg day issues right now, but we'll fix that real quick. As soon as we get the interior done, the stereo done, we'll go ahead and do this. This will be the last thing we do, and then we'll get this out and driving around more. It's not too bad. Now the interior, I think what we're gonna do with the interior is change out this, because this gets really hot. Oh God, it's already hot. This gets really hot. And yeah, I told you. And we're gonna end up changing this with Catskins leather. We're gonna do the black. I believe we're gonna do all black with all the blue stitching, and then the blue diamond stitching through the center. We will get some extra panels to be able to do the doors, those parts on all 4 doors. And I don't think we're gonna do the dash. I think that's a little bit too much to go through, but we'll do the doors and we'll do all the seats. And I will probably never drive it again because she'll want to drive it all the time. Yeah. In sport mode.
We won't discuss that.
Yeah, sport mode. There you go. As far as that, I mean, that's pretty much it. As I mentioned earlier, we do have a lot of things planned for this. Some of it include the stereo. We do plan on putting a full stereo system in this, all the wiring, everything like that. That's what I like to do. I like to work on the cars. I have a bunch of other cars I drive. That's why this one stays in there torn apart. I want to get this one fairly done because it is nice and cool in the garage. If I lift it, it will not fit in the garage, which means I'm gonna have to do all the work out here. And that will suck during the summertime. My air conditioning in the garage works just fine to keep it to where it's a nice cool temperature to work inside. Out here in the sun on Florida in the humidity, it's absolutely horrible.
Not so much the heat, the humidity that kills you.
Yeah. We do plan on wrapping this car later on. It's not going to be anytime soon, but we do have a graphics that we want to try on this. We are going to wrap it ourselves because we want to go through that process. Pretty much everything on this car we want to do ourselves. But I don't know. What do you guys think so far? Again, this takes a lot of time. We do it ourselves on the weekends or in the afternoon, like it is right now, and do all the editing and stuff like that. So it's not something where we drop off at a shop and have somebody else build it. We want to build it ourselves. That's the whole fun of this. If it wasn't for me building it, I wouldn't want to have it. So a lot of the vehicles I have, I've built myself. I've done this stuff myself, unless there's absolutely no way to do it for me, or it costs exceptionally more money, like painting. I would not paint the panels because
especially black.
Yeah, I would have no way to paint them. Not that I couldn't figure it out, but I don't have the facility or the time to paint them.
It takes a special skill to paint a car.
It really does. There are some things I would not try because I do not have the skill set to do it.
And black is the worst color you can possibly paint, because if your body is not perfect, it will show. It
will show, yes. So the guy who did this, absolutely wonderful.
Yeah.
He took it upon himself to paint it, do all the body work, and then I'm the one that installed it. So it's pretty well, with her help. She made sure I did it right and didn't screw it up. So thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. If you guys like it so far, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment. What you're looking for next on this, what you think I should do. I'll take suggestions. I have a lot of ideas.
And we still have a lot of things that we bought like 1 or 2 years ago that we still have to put on other cars.
Time. Lots of time is what it takes to do this, which I really don't have a lot of time to do, but we'll figure it out. Like I said, like, subscribe, hit notification bell. Also, stay tuned for the future project that she just picked up. She. Bye. Okay, let's get this back in the garage so we can tear it apart again.